Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I installed this bob using Janet Collection's Melt 4x5 Nu Skin UHD Lace Closure. This closure features ultra thin HD lace that blends seamlessly with any skin tone, giving the appearance of hair growing directly from the scalp. With the closure, I made a wig using 5 18-inch Prestige Natural Remy bundles that eventually I cut into a bob.
나연히 내게 보낸 reels 하나둘씩 클릭해보는 너의 생각들 yeah. Look at me baby you and me 하루 종일 혼자라도 not only lonely Come close to me baby just like a dream yeah. 따뜻한 너의 품 고개 들어 이렇게 눈 맞추면 You make me go crazy all the little things you do You're my teddy bear 나는 사랑과 내게 줘도 좋아 You're my teddy bear 부드러운 너의 품 나는 원해 너의 눈 The sweetest 누군가 나에게 어디가 그렇게 좋냐고 물어보면 난 이렇게 대답할래 내게 10번의 기회가 있다도 나게 얼른 해가 2번 아니 3번 뜰 때까지 너의 옆에 Come close to me baby just like a dream yeah. 이런 맘처럼 I wanna know everything
I'm giving this closure 5 stars, 5 stars, 10s across the board. Look how it comes out of my scalp. OMG. I love this hair. I love this closure. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to shop at Janet Collection for the latest closure. Love you guys and I'll see you in my next video.
The sweetest 너도 나와 같은 맘인걸. The way you make me feel is gonna change the way I used to be. 잊혀질 완성